Task 4 Disparity Mapping. Firstly, all the images, calibration images, have been loaded into the image list.xml, and this library path has been updated. And after that, running the stereo calibration main file, as you can see, all the corners are calibrated. It shows each and every view that corners are calibrated. We will wait for all of them to be configured. And there is the rectified image of both left camera and right camera as shown, giving us the disparity values which we can use later in our task 4. Moving on to the task 4 main file. Right, firstly, both intrinsic and extrinsic XML file are loaded, which we just created after loading the stereo calibration file. All the code has been kept same, as GPM values have been kept same. No changes has been made. Now, disparity value for unknown targets, this was already given. However, I've created one more integer for disparity values, to find disparity values for known targets, and this is the parameter I've created. As you can see, the red string images have been remapped according to the rectified map which we created earlier. Moving on to the computing 16-bit grayscale image into 8-bit for this function to work, and now this was for unknown targets. Similarly, using image distance as a reference to load all the path images which were in centimeters, I have loaded them up and remapped them similarly and converted them into 8-bit disparity value, and this is how they move. This is how they keep moving and giving us a new image every time. Let's run the file. As you can see, this is a disparity map for known targets, and this is disparity map for unknown targets. This is just showing that all the image strings have been loaded and shown. As you can see, if I press any button, this will move on to the next loaded image, as you can see down there, and so on and so on and so on. After doing this, the values are stored to find a distance of unknown targets. These are all the stored values which we just recorded, and a chart is created giving us a simple relation between disparity values and distance, and just from this we can find out the distance from the distance of the unknown targets just using these values. Thank you.